set to drop the gate for the first time in MetLife. The whole shot will go to Villopoto, right where he wants to be, out front in the front of the field.
Got Michael Alessi right there, Hill. Looks like Andrew Short right in there.
You can see the riders fighting their way through those big ruts as we watch from the KTM Skycam.
And now look at this guy.
No problems.
Forgot all about it.
He's in his own zip code.
No problems for Villopoto. 10 seconds up on Tomac.
Just doing what
Not
he
even
does,
dirty.
making it look easy.
Look at that, not even dirty.
It's the best way to do it. Look at how he carries his momentum through sections. And the speed that he's carrying through his turns and through those rhythm sections, he doesn't have to do anything special. He just does the basics really, really good.
40 years of Monster Energy AMA Supercross and FIM World Championship, and only 2 riders will have won 4 of these prestigious championships back to back to back to back. The king of the sport, Jeremy McGrath, and Ryan Villopoto. This will be his 40th career win.
Well, and this is the way to do it. Go out, whole shot to main, dominate this thing. Here comes the crowd.
Wow.
What a night, and what a way to do it for Ryan Villopoto by winning the prestigious first ever race in MetLife Stadium. Ryan Villopoto is a 4-time Monster Energy Supercross champion.
Ryan Villopoto, a 4-time champion. You just did something that only one other rider has done before. That's Jeremy McGrath. Describe this moment.
You know, it'll set in eventually, I'm sure. It's definitely a big accomplishment. I'm just glad it's over. You know, it's been a long season, and it's been a hard season. You know, so I'm just glad that you know, we were able to finish it off this way and with a win. You know, it's just been a great season so far.
Not only did you win the championship tonight, you also won the Toyota Triple Challenge. You're going to be driving away in that new Toyota Tundra. What does that feel like?
You know, that's probably at this point right now what I'm more excited about. I guess that's a little sad to say, but you know, it's pretty cool to you know, win a truck. I've never won a truck, so you know, Toyota, being involved with the sport, it's you know, it's pretty cool.
All right, well, we'll see you up on the podium for that presentation. Congratulations. We'll talk again soon.
Thank you.